Watch him just fucking stop. He'll fucking go, hit the deep and stop. I guarantee it. Oh shit.
What?
Grayson! Grayson! Look! Go!
Oh shit, this is gonna be good.
Yeah, he's calling the cops for sure.
Probably. You can't really call the cops.
No, it's a road, but it's road closed. See, so.
Yeah, but the closed signs move.
Yeah, that's true. Look at the way this fuckway we came.
Yeah. At least he's going slow. So he's not gonna come try to beat us around the corner.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Just get it, maybe past that farmhouse.
Man, look, imagine we fucking actually went down. That would suck.
For us, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna 30-second ride. That was ridiculous.
Minute 52. He's gonna go.
You asshole!
Shit. What? Shit. Why? Just truck.
Truck. Check out.
What?
Because he's gonna hit the fucking...
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Is there a fucking jump? Jump! Oh, what the fuck, man? What an asshole! What? Oh, shit! Is it here?
Yeah. Right about here. Oh, what the fuck? It's over.
Man, look at these sauces in here. How fast are you going right now? Man, it feels like we're going so much faster. Man, it's like that fucking smoke in the fire goes. Holy shit. We're fucking booking it, man.
And this is gonna suck, because there's bumps and shit all over this road.
Whatever, this is fun, man. Who cares? It's fucking fun as shit.
Imagine how fucked you'd be if we fucking fell out.
You'd be done. You'd be dead. Look at your screen. It's even covered with the backdraft. Ah, fuck!
Oh, it's fun!
I know. Oh, you're getting covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the back of your phone. I don't think he's gonna stop anytime soon.
No, I think he's going to Brentwood. Yeah, he's going all the way home.
He's going home?
Yeah.
Sweet. That would've been sick if we hit that jump. Man, we were going pretty fucking fast. No, that would've been awesome.
Yeah,
Back here?
my head smoked a fucking ring.
Man, oh my god.
These things came up and snapped because I landed on that one and another one and fucking broken out. Because they came up with me. Oh,
Really?
and he's going to hide it.
Hide what?
He's going to go stop down here. Later on, when the truck opens down a bend or something, stop and we'll get in. And then we'll go another way back. We'll go back a mile away or something.
Look at my pants, dude.
Yeah.
Looks like sawdust.
And I'm washing my shit at Gracie.
Holy shit, man! Look, you fucking smell that? Asshole! Why did you warn me about that one?
I didn't know this one. That's where the damage was.
Yeah, my shoes are fucking covered too.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Car's coming, get down.
Green is
Race is stalled, that's why you're there.
Where?
It's not the same one.
What?
It's not the same one, no. It wouldn't have been us here anyway.
Oh shit.